Your next element of pitch is rhythm. Rhythm is the duration of the notes you are holding and how the notes are arranged into patterns. The combination of pitches and rhythms is how we create a melody. The regular pulse in music is called a beat. In order to know how to create patterns, you need to understand what notes are available to you. So up here we have notes and we have rests. So if the pulse of music is one snap per pulse, then what you see right here is a quarter note. A quarter note gets one beat, and that is the pulse of the music. A quarter note looks like that. It gets one beat. We also have something that's called a rest. A rest is beat of silence. So even though you're not making any sound, you need to know that they exist within the pulse of music. So our largest note that we have is called a whole note. A whole note gets 4 beats, and the rest looks like that, a rectangle hanging down from a line. Our half note gets 2 beats, with the rest with the rectangle sitting on the line. Our quarter note, our eighth note, which gets half of a beat. So it takes two eighth notes to equal 1 beat. So an eighth note gets half of the beat. And this is our 16th note, which gets a quarter of the beat. So it would take 4 16th notes to equal 1 pulse. Now, to make it a little bit more understandable, there's something called a note tree. So you can see how it takes 2 half notes to equal 1 whole note. Then it takes 4 quarter notes to equal 1 whole note, or 2 quarters to equal 1 half. Then it takes 8 eighth notes to equal 4 beats, the whole note, or 16 16th notes to equal a whole note. So that's your rhythm tree.